First, download the Time in Status board, open the Monday Marketplace, and type Time in Status in the search bar. Click on App by SarsJet. After that, click the Install App button. Then, in the opened window, choose the workspace where you want to use Time in Status and click the Install button. Then select the Time in Status button to apply it to your existing board. After, choose a workspace and click on Add App button. Next, a calendar will appear. Configure it to match the working hours during which you want the app to track how long a task stays in each stage. Go to your board, then refresh the page and click the plus, hover over Apps, and choose Time in Status from the installed options. In the loaded board view, you will see how much time tasks have spent in each stage. Now let's download the integration. Click the Integrate button in the right corner, and in the search bar, type Time in Status. Then click on the Use Template button. In the opened window, click Authorize on the bottom. Wait until it loads. In the first field, select the column, and in the second field, choose the calendar you're going to use from the drop-down list. Finally, click the Create Automation button. After, you will see new automation in your Manage Board Automation menu. Reload the page to get the updated and accurate data. Once you've moved the tasks to other statuses, you'll be able to track how much time they spent in each previous status. Thanks for watching.